Hi, I'm going to show you how to make these crochet bell ornaments. I used an F hook and medium worsted yarn. The pattern is down below. You can place this video in slow motion if you need to, or pause it if I'm going too fast. You can go up or down on a hook size as well. Okay, so let's get started. To get started, I'm going to create a magic circle and start with a chain 1. If this is your first time on the magic circle, there are videos down below. Work 3 single crochet, grab the yarn, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and then work 2 more single crochet, and then you will pull it closed. Then after you pull it closed, chain 1 and then work 2 single crochet in each stitch across, and you will have a total of 6 single crochet. This is the top of the bell. I will pull it closed after this row here. I just forgot to do so. I'm going to show you step by step for the entire bell. Okay, it's going to look like this. You can pull it close. And then for the next 4 rows, you're going to chain 1 and work 1 single crochet in each stitch across, which will be 6 single crochet. So 1 in each stitch, 4 rows of this. Chain 3 and then turn, then work a half double crochet in the same stitch, and then chain 1, skip a stitch and then work a half double crochet, chain 1, skip a stitch, work a half double crochet, chain 1, and then work a half double crochet in the last stitch. Work 3 single crochet, chain 1, work 3 single crochet in the chain space, work 2 single crochet in the next 2 chain spaces, Work 3 single crochet in the last chain space, and then chain 1 and turn. Work 1 single crochet in the next 5 stitches. Chain 3 and then slip stitch in the first chain, and then work the rest of the stitches a single crochet. Yarn over and pull through, and then you can weave in all of your ends and create a loop on top. Okay, so this is what the bow looks like. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.